Hi everyone, welcome to this channel, GCP for Dummies. This series is based on the Associate Cloud Engineering exam provided by Google Cloud. We're going to go step by step in our prep for this exam. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I wish you the very best of luck in your exam. In the last video, we introduced storage options. In this video, we'll introduce networking concepts on Google Cloud. The keywords are VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. This is your internal GCP network and everything in it. Then we have firewalls. Firewalls are settings which can limit inbound and outbound traffic for any IP address. This is really important for GCP. Next, we have peering. Peering is a method used to link your cloud network and your on-premise network. There are many types of peering. We'll discuss this in other videos. Next is load balancing. Load balancing is a network which provides a way to direct workloads to a distributed backend. This is not a new word to us, we've gone through it before. So, load balancing is just a way to spread out your workload on the back end. Next is DNS, Domain Name System. As the name suggests, it's a service which provides domain name servicing, literally. We'll go into all of these in much more detail in the next few videos. Next, we'll move on to the next service. These are specialized services. We'll go through the keywords and then we'll go into more detail in upcoming videos. In terms of specialized services, we'll focus on those provided by Google Cloud because they vary. We have a PG API, which is a service for deploying, monitoring, and securing APIs on your platform. Then we have BigQuery, which is a data warehouse, Dataflow, which is a batch and stream processing service, Dataproc, which is for Hadoop and Spark processes, and then we have Dataprep, which is preparing and aggregating data. BigQuery, Dataflow, Dataproc, and Dataprep fall into data analysis, and a PG API falls into a PG API. Next, we have AI and machine learning keywords, which are AutoML, ML Engine, Cloud Natural Language Processing, and Cloud Vision. AutoML is auto machine learning. This is for beginners in machine learning and is really helpful for teams that don't have experience in machine learning yet. Machine Learning Engine is kind of a more experienced platform than AutoML. A service instead of platform. Cloud Natural Language Processing and Cloud Vision are both a type of machine learning, and they are for text mining and image recognition. We'll go into all of these further in later videos. But for now, we will explore everything as it comes. We'll take it step by step. Thanks for tuning in, hit like and subscribe, and let's get on with the next concept.